Olimpiadanın rekordçuları. Michael Phelps, Amerikalık sportçu, süzүүчү. 2004-2008 жылдардағы Olimpiadalık oyunlarda 16 medal, alardın içinen 14 altın medal, jana 2 kolu medal utup algan. Andan başka dünönün 26 jolku çempionu, jana 7 dünölük rekordtordun iyisi.
The final of the men's 100 meters butterfly and an absolutely packed stadium watching an average start there for Michael Phelps, and that's the first one of those we've seen, and I don't think he can afford to do this. He needs to be close to Kavic at the 50.
Well, he had a good rest, had 24 hours rest, but Kavic is going like a train. We're not sure if Phelps has got enough energy for this race, Andy. He's got to get a big turn here, but Kavic is taking it to him.
Well, very, very tight indeed, and Phelps hasn't got the greatest turn either. Now, Phelps does come back in 5. Phelps must be lying in about 3rd or 4th position at the moment. Kavic still leading for Serbia. Is it going to be the 7th hurdle that he's going to fall at? He's coming back. He's coming back very strongly, Michael Phelps. Surely he can't do this from this space. Michael Phelps is coming back in 5. Is he going to get the touch? No, he's not. Oh, no! He's got it! Oh, he's got it! Oh, Michael Phelps!
Tight.
Oh, he's tight! Oh, my word! No, he's not, Adrian. He's got the goal.
Larisa Latынина – Орус гимнасты. 1956, 1960 жана 1964 жылкы Олимпиадаларда 18 медаль утуп алган. Алардын ичинен 9 алтын, 5 күмүш жана 4 коло медаль. Андан башка дүйнөнүн 8 жолку чемпиону жана бир нече жолу Европа жана СССРдин чемпиону болгон.